Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. Enjoy and subscribe if you like our work. Every woman has had this experience. You get to the end of the day and realize you did nothing for you. And if you go days, weeks, or even months in this cycle, you begin to feel like you have lost a bit of yourself. While life is busy with a litany of must-dos work, child-rearing, keeping house, grocery shopping, laundry and on, women do not have to push their own needs aside. Yet this is often what happens. There's just no time, right? Wrong. In this practical and liberating book, Jessica Turner empowers women to take back pockets of time they already have in their day in order to practice self-care and do the things they love. Turner uses her own experiences and those of women across the country to teach readers how to balance their many responsibilities while still taking time to invest in themselves. She also addresses barriers to this lifestyle, such as comparison and guilt, and demonstrates how eliminating these feelings and making changes to one's schedule will make the reader a better wife, mother, and friend. Perfect for any woman who is doing everything for everyone except herself. The Fringe Hours is ideal for both individuals and small group use. In this season of my life, a lot of Jessica Turner's suggestions do not apply to me, but I still found her book very helpful and know that it would continue to be a tremendous help as I move into different seasons of life. The parts that applied to me have helped me gain new perspectives on life and my attitudes on life. Turner did a lot of research and interviews for this book, which are incorporated seamlessly in the overall story she tells. It's great to read direct quotes from many women about the similar struggles we face. Turner also offers many practical advice, tips, and how-tos that anyone can start practicing right away. She wrote a book with a great balance in inspiration and practicality. When reading this book, I participated with Encourages Bloom book study with Turner and 4 other women. Their discussion is worth watching.